step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got seasoning, I do it just right. When I'm stepping in the kitchen, I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some party wings right here. We also have some shrimps. I done washed them, clean them, pat them dry, all that good stuff. So we're about to go ahead and season them up. We're gonna make some buffalo chicken and shrimp with some fries. So we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go ahead and season it up with this Nashville hot chicken seasoning. If you want some spicy seasoning, there you go right there. And then we'll hit it with Perfect Pinch. Another chicken seasoning. Boom. There we go right there. We also have our flour, cornstarch right here. So we're gonna season that up just with the chicken seasoning, the Perfect Pinch. Okay, so we have an egg right here. Crack this egg. Boom. We have some yellow mustard. And now we go ahead and mix this in. I'm about to go ahead and toss it in here. Toss everything in there together. Okay, so we let that flour stick to the chicken and shrimp for 12 minutes total. So now, we'll go ahead and drop it in our oil. Give it a nice little shake. And boom. Boom. Same thing with the shrimp. Give it a shake. And drop it. Shake. Now it's time to get this good food on a nice plate. We have our sweet baby Ray buffalo wing sauce. We also gonna add a little honey. We'll plate it up and end this video. Like I say, you can make Wingstop right here at home. Your boy did his thing right here in this Good Kitchen. Made it happen. Look at that. Fire. The buffalo sauce and that good honey. Did my thing. Nice little video. Also clean out the refrigerator and the freezer. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.